write it for them. So it's not my song anymore, it's their song. After you sing a song in the studio, it's no longer your song, it's the people I'm singing, you know?
True.
So.
Now, we're going to run a video, of course, The Life of a Gun, which is
brand new.
One of the most imaginative videos we've seen in a long while. The song itself is just totally a profound, and this song is just talking loads, volumes.
Yeah, nice song, lovely video. Big up Garrett Cobran, you know? I'm really pleased with the work when we do the video. Jano, in front of him face and behind the back, I really like it. And we like the video, it'll show you the whole original roots, Jamaica vibes, dancehall. We have Joe Lickshot tonight, Josie Wales, Zura, it's like enough vibes. And the song Taurus, you know, talking as a gun.
True.
The gun that tell us the guns aren't good.
Yes.
So that's nice, so you have two different Taurus and one of them chuck it and one of them just easy. We like it, it's entertaining and it's still clear.
You've been rewarded and awarded a lot of accolades over the last couple of years since we've seen you. How you feel about that?
Feel nice to win anything, you know. So, I mean, it's motivation to do more work, you know. But really, I mean, I never really do it feel like to win an award, you know what I mean? I just do what I love, so that itself is a reward too. So, I mean, we just take it.
Indeed. And the relationship between you and Dean.
You know, I'm a brethren, man. You know, so we out there going back, I'm a brethren, man. And, yeah, man.
Always coming up with the goods.
Yeah, man, Mr. Fraser. No, not just Mr. Fraser, no. OD.
Oh, of course.
He's honored by the government of Jamaica,
Indeed,
out of distinction, so call him name with the real way.
Indeed.
A mysterious epidemic sweeping the city is leaving medical professionals struggling to find the cause. Symptoms include emotional outpourings and a severe need for what can only be described as good loving. This and more coming up.
Tell me something I go around. Me have it, you have it. I got this feeling inside bubbling over. Don't need no doctor, I know I need my...
Of course, we noticed that you and your father, you know, from time to time, the collaboration, working quite well. We've seen a few little concerts, clips from abroad with you and your father working tight.
Yeah, well, musically.
Musically.
Well, you don't know, he's into collaborations. We have some out with we have one out now with Idonia, one out working on with Assassin, one that do good, do well with no conscience. And my father definitely can't leave him out of it. We love collabs because, you know, unity is strength and thing. And it's a way for sure different sides of artists and thing. We love it.
Indeed.
Yeah.
I need to ask you about reggae and where it's at the moment. Because there's so much talk, a lot of negative, of course, but we know there's a whole lot of positive to go with. I wonder what you can fill in between that.
Well, reggae is the voice of the people. Reggae is the best music in the world, if you ask me. You know, and that's how I see it, you know. Reggae music is the best music in the world. It's the voice of people, it's a music of love and unity from that time to this time.
Is it still delivering, you think?
Yeah, man, and dancehall music is a great force to be reckoned with as well. So, I mean, love reggae with the reggae, you know.
True.
Everyone do reggae.
Well, of course.
One of my favorite songs year before last or last year was a song by an artist named Jasmine Sullivan.
Yes, absolutely.
Who did a song named Need You Bad. And an original studio one track. That just shows how reggae big.
So still crossing the boundary, you know, because there's a lot of people still want to keep up a lot of, the argumentative thing between artists.
Yeah, well, them things they're just fad and them things they go on, you know, them things they happen. Them things they go on a long time from Juke Reid and Coxon days. Them things they happen long time, you know. It's not Vybz Kartel them bring in feuds, you know, Shabba them used to do it, Supercat them. For as long as it's lyrical and it's not going to just play out itself. Them things they can't last forever. It's just a time and vibes and space. Them things they make the music entertaining sometimes. Sometimes people go extreme and get physical, but that's how it goes.
Yeah.
We have to kind of
Yeah, man, that's cool. So what's your final message to
final message, and the message always is thank you to the people and love. Love yourself, love each other. Love in action, you know, caring and sharing. Love your country. Bless the Rastafari. See?